Greetings, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning in to Solid Rock Entertainment once again with your host, Sam G, your host on the Central Coast. Welcome back to another edition of the Solid Foundation. I'm going to jump into a tune this week to kick off this edition this week. I'm going to jump into this tune by a brethren of mine, but he's also a legend. And it's only fitting that this track is going to be coming from his album entitled Legendary. And that's none other than Mr. Eazi. And this is the album that was released in 2020. I believe in the height in the pandemic, man. But this was a nice, solid album that Mr. Eazi put out, right? On the Freedom Blues rhythm. And as you know, the Freedom Blues rhythm is a rhythm that was originally Cox and Dodd, been remade a couple times over the years. But this one, nonetheless, Mr. Eazi touched this rhythm, right? And we're not going to go into no long talking. The name of this tune is called Times Like These, okay? And we're going to kick it away like a ball with the tune Times Like These by Mr. Eazi. Kick it away.
Na 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 na. Ooh yeah. From Ream at the garden, check on the friend them on a jungle. Said the bubble till like the bungle. All the sexy cat is in the time.
We have to pull that up. We have to put the man I tell you same skip through jungle. See the natty dread the bungle. Easy Bubble Dread. Mr. Eazi, this one tough. And there's some other tunes on this that I'm gonna cover because this album Legendary have some good tunes on it, man. It's not an album to sleep on, okay? But anyway, no long talking. We're gonna keep on walking.
Na 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 na. Ooh yeah. Na na. See me used to walk from Ream at the garden. Check on the friend them on a jungle. Said the bubble till like the bungle. All the sexy cat is in the doctor. So many people that I know. Ask them how the place it I go. They say it ain't right. They say it ain't right. Because the world thing changes, the youth move strange. Me SMS I be him around the lane, it ain't right. No, it's not right. Ooh yeah. I miss say please change the direction, please. Make all the guns them cease. Wicked man be fall to we need. In a time like this, let all the youth them believe. I just love we be up on the corner. And when I want no all apart, I just love like this. We want love like this. Because the world thing changes, the youth move strange. Me SMS I be him around the lane, it ain't right. No, it's not right. Ooh yeah. I miss it, please change the direction, please. Make all the guns them cease. Wicked man fi fall to we need. Cause in a time like this, let all the youth them believe. I just love we be up on the corner. And when I want no
love and unity
just
this time.
love like this.
That's what we need.
We want love like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, only love
We
can
gotta
solve
care for our
the
children. Remember that we must protect them in times like these.
Protect the children,
In
y'all.
times like these. Oh yeah. Protect them. The children, but teach them. Get them a better way. So many people that I know. Ask them how the places I go. They say it ain't right. They say it ain't right. Because the world thing changes, the youth move strange. The SMS I be him around the lane, it ain't right. No, it's not right. Ooh yeah. I miss it, please change the direction, please. Pray to the Almighty. We protect we little country in the Caribbean Sea. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jam rock, jam rock, jam rock.
Goodness, good. Whew, what a heavy tune. What a heavy tune. That was Times Like These by Mr. Easy from his album Legendary, released in 2020. What a message. A message that is fitting for... Man, that tune can be fit. It can go back as... I don't even know, man, because let me tell you something. Times like these, right? And as you hear, as he said in the song, it's like he's walking through the community, asking people in the community how things are running, and they're saying it's not running right because the youth them out of control, right? It's like, boy, to me, it's even like the youth them don't even, enough of them don't respect the elders. They don't listen to the elders. They just doing their own thing. You understand? And if you talk too hard to them, it can be a problem. You understand? So, you know, in times like these, it's very troubling at times, man, especially on the little island of Jamaica there. Yeah, it can be very troubling, you know, tense. So, you know, the people in my family live behind fence. That's how tense it can be, right? So, we just tell the youth them to just come together and look, because nothing can solve the problem other than love and unity, right? Don't kill off especially children, you know what I mean? We're supposed to be protecting the children. So, Mr. Easy, respect on this tune, respect for the awareness that you're placing in this song, and it's a song that should be out there a lot more, because the country is still going through many of what you are singing about in this song, right? But as I said before, there's many tracks on this album that I'm gonna cover and react and review to, because it's a solid album by Mr. Easy. Next up, we're gonna keep the ball rolling so you can keep on scrolling. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Hit the notification bell so you can hear when I yell to put you under this musical spell. Mr. Easy with Times Like These. Dum dum dum, dum 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 dum.